am a certified teacher, and I worked in the public school system for 5 years, and I wasn't liking everything that was going on, what I was being forced to teach, how I was being forced to teach, and the environment was really toxic. And so I wanted to stay home with my kiddos, and I thought the only way to do that was for me to open up a daycare. So in that process, I was doing research and trying to find information on how to start a daycare. And I also wanted to have some preschool elements because I'm a teacher, and I wanted to make sure that I had that as a perk in my daycare. In doing so, I came across startpreschool.com, and it piqued my interest. And so I started diving a little bit more into what that meant, what it looked like, and it was like my eyes were open to a whole new world. I didn't know that you could stay at home and have a preschool and be successful, but here I am. I am starting my 3rd year in preschool, and I am full. I am completely full, and I have not been full the last couple years. I think it takes a couple years sometimes to get word of mouth going, and I have extended my program a little bit thanks to Joy. I bought Preschool in a Box before I started, and that helped me so much. There is so much information in that Preschool in a Box that is just way too valuable. It just saved my business. I had no idea what I was doing. I'd never started a business before. I had never taught preschool before, and I didn't know where to start. It was like a map for me to continue my journey and to be successful in starting my preschool. And I had the forms, I had the curriculum, I had the tutorials, I had the marketing, I had everything at my fingertips, and it was so easy. It just made everything smooth, and I was able to do it on my own with Joy's Preschool in a Box. It was kind of like here you go, and everything's done for you. You just add your business name, change the format, and you're done. So that helps so much, and I love Preschool in the Box, and I still go back to it. Even though it's my 3rd year, I go back to it for all of my marketing, all of my end of year taxes. I use the flyers, and Joy helps me all the time. Preschool All-Stars has always been a nice resource for other preschools and other teachers to lean on each other. So I've really appreciated all of that in my journey. I couldn't have done what I do now without the Preschool in a Box, and I am making the same, if not more, as a certified teacher, and I have a lot more time to spend with my family. My son has been going to preschool with me. This is his 3rd year. He's 4, and he's been going to preschool with me the whole time and loves it. So I get to be here with him and here for those experiences and his learning, and it's just helped so much. I get to be home with them. I get more time. I get to be my own boss. I don't have to do what a district or a school wants me to do. I just do what's best for my kids and what's best for me. And I follow lots of different curriculum formats and just try to piece together and make it work. And it's been great. And I love it, and I love Joy, and I'm so grateful for all of her help and her Preschool in a Box.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wish I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill, and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I am talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's going to be like Christmas.